people always ask me, okay, are you sure I have to go into the arena completely disarmed? Is there not, can I take something with me in there? And the answer is absolutely. There's something you actually have to take in with you. And that is a very strong sense of your values. The one thing you always need to take into the arena with you is clarity of values. I want to read something to you because I wrote it, but I have to read it often to remember why it's important I get clear on my values every morning. So let me read this to you. There are no guarantees in the arena. We will struggle. We will even fail. There will be darkness. But if we are clear about the values that guide us in our efforts to show up and be seen, we will always be able to find the light. We will know what it means to live brave. I think values is another one of those words that we throw around and don't do a lot of real thinking and practicing and work around. And so the invitation at this point in the Daring Way is to really do some work around what are the values. For me, that day when I read the Theodore Roosevelt quote and everything kind of shifted, the plates shifted in my life, I realized that courage and my faith are the organizing principles in my life. And so when I wind up, face down in the dirt of the arena, it is so helpful for me to remember that I don't have a choice but to at times end up face down, dirt in my mouth, face down in the arena, if I'm really going to live by my values of my faith and my courage, because I am called upon to be brave. And that means failing. That means coming up short. That means making huge mistakes. That means trying things that don't work out. And so I think the one thing we have to take into the arena is real clarity about the values that guide us and that are important to us. And that is not an easy thing to do. And I don't think it's a one-time thing that we do. Maybe the values, maybe I had different values at a different point in my life. But I think being clear on them and understanding how they light the way when things get really, really dark is a key to this work. It's a key to showing up and being seen.